Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. You remember this vehicle? Yeah, this is a 2005 Mercedes SLK350 that has been sitting idle at my house for years. I can't even remember when I bought it. I can't even remember what I paid for it. I do remember it's given me nothing but troubles, and finally we were able to get it started. We were able to drive it around to the front of the house where it promptly died. I could not get the car to start anymore. So I've had the car, I don't know, 2 or 3 years, and I've driven it 200 or 300 feet maybe. So in this video, we're going to diagnose why it is not starting anymore, and I think I know what that actually is. We will replace that part. We will turn the key. Hopefully she will start. Hopefully she will drive. Then we have to go to the tag agency so I can get another sticker on my car right here. It's got a black sticker, which means I can't drive it on the road. I have to get an odometer and a VIN inspection because I think the car came from Arkansas, Dallas. I don't remember. That's how stupid I am and how long I've owned the car. So without further ado, play the intro, and then we're going underneath the car and getting very, very dirty. That is a backbone to something that got dragged in here and eaten. Please be dead. Please be dead. Please. Oh, I smashed his brain. Yeah, we got rain. Hunt for the second vehicle has taken us to...
What are you going to say?
It's just too much for me to screw out.
What do you think about this car, Mike?
Mikey likes.
You like it?
Mikey likes.
I'm in the car.
As you can see, she's hunkered down. She's squatting. We got the front wheels way up in the air. We have jack stands, secondary jack stands, thirdary jack stands, because I'm tired of people telling me I need more jack stands. I've got more jack stands than I have, okay, under here. Just trust me. Anyway, we have her raised way up tall because the starter is very difficult to get to, okay? You can kind of see it from here, but it's way down there, and the upper bolt, there's only 2 bolts that hold it on, and the upper bolt is almost impossible to get. So let me kind of climb down here, and I'll show you what it looks like. We'll give you a mole's eye view, not a bird's eye view, a mole's eye view of what it's like as we go spelunking under this wonderful Mercedes. All right, so we're splunking, and basically what I've done, because I'm so brilliant, that's your starter right there. See that little black and silver thing with the big cable? Yeah, that's it. And the top bolt, you can't see it. There's no way that you can see it. So what I've done in my brilliance, I've just loosened up, well, I've removed the cats. Okay, I have loosened this on both sides, which now gives me access. See how the socket is stuck up there? That's the top one. The bottom one is right down here, which is much easier to get to. But now I have access to both of them, okay? Top, and that one right there is the bottom. There's the best picture yet of this thing, okay? So I'm gonna release those things. And then I'm gonna have to finagle the starter out of here. I'll have to move the exhaust out of the way again. I think I can get it out through here. I also have access to the bolts that hold it on now, once I get this thing off, because see that black thing? Yeah, that's it right there. So let me do my best to finagle this thing out, and then we'll show you what's going on. Success. Yep, here she is. Here's the old starter. What goes bad on these is this thing right here. So where's my new one? Somewhere in this garage, I have one from that E350 that I pulled out. I think it was an 08 or something. So let's look for that, and then we'll put it in, and hopefully, oh my gosh, please, I hope this fixes it. If it doesn't, it's off to the junker for you, my friend. Or should I sell him? Watch JR Go is starting a parts company. You want to end up in little bitty pieces, little car? Well, after looking for an hour, we found it. Yep, this is the new one, the new to us. This is the old one, exact same things. Okay, so we'll just reverse the procedure, tighten up everything, and hopefully this will go well, okay? I even have that. Okay, yay, so that's good news. We'll see you in just a bit with this, hopefully freshly installed. Well, it's a whole nother day, and we have resorted to this. It's an old trick. If you just need like an extra inch, and who doesn't? Yeah, that's what you do. This is your swivel. Just tape it up and you get just a little bit more to reach the spots you need to reach. And hopefully I can now reach the spot that I need to reach. I had to actually lift the engine at just a skosh. It's my new favorite word. To get that big boy back in. And the little, see the plastic piece and then the exposed metal right there, that gets caught in your engine mount, which is lovely. So we're going to have to figure out something to do with that. But removing this, let me back it up. Removing that was key. I couldn't have gotten it out. I couldn't have found the top bolt without it. So what we're going to do now is try to reach the bolt with my extra add-on. We'll tighten everything up, plug everything back in, then we'll reattach our catalytic converters, plug in all the O2 sensors, hopefully in the right location, and then we'll try to give her a start. But this, what I thought was going to be, you know, maybe an hour, has been way much longer. Way longer. Mission accomplished. One new to us. Look how dirty this is. This, well, because we spewed coolant everywhere, so I do need to give the engine a nice little cleaning. But we have our new to us starter installed, and all I need to do is borrow a battery, turn the key, and she's going to start, I think. What do you think? Is it going to start? Is it not going to start? Oh, if it doesn't, we may be saying goodbye, because I'm done. I'm done with this SLK. It's been here far too long. The world's worst light. I hate this light, but I don't have any others because I keep losing them. We'll go there, we'll get the battery installed, and kaboom. Battery installed. By the way, of course, we checked our 52 and 48 fuse. That was the first thing we did. 52 goes right to the starter. So, hopefully, now she's going to start. Let's just kind of see what's going to happen. Oh, please give me something. Please give me a start. You ready? Whew. 1, 2, 3. Well, that's a start. At least it cranks. Let's try this key. And of course the battery. Of course, because it wouldn't be a Monkey Wrench Mike video without a horrible battery. All right, look closely. We have our jump pack attached that I take with me everywhere I go. And hopefully this stupid car is going to start. Please, just do something for me. Okay, here we go. Of course not. And now I get nothing. Okay, new battery attached. Well, from a different car. It's been charging. Please start. Please do something. And nothing. And nothing. What is the problem? I'm not even getting a click anymore. We have tried 3 different batteries, and then I thought I would just try to turn the crank. And it was difficult. I hit like a dead spot. I could not turn it. So I backed it up again, and then I went forward again, and now it's kind of turning, which has me worried about the engine being all locked up. So I'm going to give you a bird's eye view. This would be typical. This would be just like the best day ever if this happens. Okay, so we're just going to give you that viewpoint. Of course, the camera's probably going to fall off. I don't care anymore. This car, it's going to the junkyard. It really is. Okay. Give me a start. Please, please, please. and nothing. And nothing. In with the bar, the 27 millimeter. Okay, well now I can turn it more. Let's just get the other one out. Let me get my other one. Well, it's another day. We have run the codes on the car, and I'll put it up on the screen. I think the starter is getting the input to actually, start the car. When I put up my very expensive scanner that Randy gave to me from Auto Auction Rebuilds, it shows that circuit 15, there's output, and then it shows that circuit 50, there is input, and then when I turn the key, what says off actually turns to on. So all of the outputs seem to be okay. I do get one message saying that the front right SAM has an issue. It's on single wire mode, which is kind of weird to me, so I got to research that. But I think the starter is being told to start, but it's not starting. So is the new to me starter that I spent an hour pulling out of a junkyard car bad? Probably. This is the old one right there from this piece of crap. It doesn't work at all. So what I want to do is attach some wires, attach a voltmeter, and see, just double checking everything to see if the starter is being told to start. Let there be voltage. In 3, 2, 1. Okay. Did you see anything? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. And one final time. There. Okay. Well, now let me go back and look at it, and then we'll decide what to do. We are getting voltage. The battery, of course, is low. This is one that came in another car. I've been charging it. I need a new battery for this car, and the midget, and the wagon, and the other wagon, and the Volvo. So I need about $1,000 in batteries. A GoFundMe has been established. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, so now I think that's just the starter. The starter is kaput. So we have to wait and see what's going on, because when I do this one, nothing happens. Nothing really happens at all. Oh my goodness. Yay. Okay, fuel rail, Schrader valve, gasoline on the inside. You ready? Yeah, we're getting gas. Yeah. Yeah, she's getting gas. That's not good news. It's really not good news. We've made a huge discovery on the starter that I got from the junkyard. This right here was loose, okay, which means this module, I guess, didn't have good contact with this, because this bolt right here, this little nut, was not tightened. I got in there and I tightened it. Let me put my monkey wrench mic hat on, and I'm giving her power, and she made a sound. Sounded like a V12. So let's just kind of see what's going to happen now. Is she going to start for me? Please, 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 please. I need something good today. I need something good to happen today. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so she's trying. We've got gas. Well, that's a huge improvement. Just give me a start. Come on. And the battery's going low. But at least we've got some movement. Okay, well that means I can take her off the jack stands and push her around. I won't cancel the order on the other starter just quite yet. I got to get a battery. I got to get a good battery. I need like 10 good batteries. But she is kind of alive. Kind of. Well, this is what this Mercedes has done to me. I'm covered in gook. I've been working on 2 or 3 cars today, including that one and not the others. And I can't get it to work. I cannot get this stupid car to work. So let me know what I should do, because this could be the last time you see the car. I'm done. I really am. I get it to work. It drives around to the front of the house, and then the starter dies. Put in a new one, and I can't get it to start. And it sounds really, really weird. And for some reason, when I put the new starter in, I could not get the crankshaft to turn. I had to go back and forth a little bit, and then finally it kind of freed up. Is it a broken crank? Is it that pulley on the backside of these 350s that's gone bad? I don't know. I think I'm done, and I think I will just sell it for weight or part it out or who knows what, because this life is too short. You know what? That's my new motto. Life is too short to live with the Mercedes. I think it is. Yeah, because this is the biggest piece of crap I've ever seen. And I've wasted so much time and so much money, and it's just not cooperating. She doesn't want to come back to life. So I don't know. Let me know what we should do, because I don't want to work on it anymore. I really don't. There's another one that's coming up on auction. It's got 79,000 miles. It's crunched all in the back, and I was thinking, hey, let's get that. Put the new engine and the transmission in. It'll be easy, out and in. I'll have a nice looking car, wrap it up. I don't think I want to do that anymore. I really don't. And I don't know why the secondary water pump is going on all the time. That's a hot mess, if that's even what that is. That's what the MLs have, but the SLKs, I don't know. I'm guessing it is. So leave a comment. Absolutely, leave a comment. Let me know what you think I should do with this. I'm ready to push it over a cliff. So if I do that, give me a thumbs up. If you want me to save it, give me a thumbs down. That's how it should work. Yeah. Why? Because life is too short to own a Mercedes. All right, everybody, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Please comment, share this with your friends, share the pain, share the headache, share the agony, and have a great day, everybody. Okay? Yeah, have a day, because I've had one, and this is a hunk of junk.